Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider to be the best two-channel motorcycle amplifier on the market right now, the NVX MVPA2. Whether you're upgrading your bike's sound system or enhancing your powersport setup, this compact amplifier promises to deliver exceptional performance. Let's get into the details. The NVX MVPA2 packs a punch with 600 watts of total RMS power. It utilizes IRS full Class D topology, ensuring not only powerful sound but also high efficiency, perfect for your outdoor adventures. This amplifier is built tough with a conformal-coated PCB and boasts an IPX67 waterproof rating. It's designed to withstand harsh marine, powersport, and motorcycle environments, making it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features is its ultra-mini size, which allows for easy installation in tight spaces. Whether you're mounting it on a boat, motorcycle, or other outdoor vehicles, the NVX MVPA2 fits seamlessly. For customization and control, the NVX MVPA2 is equipped with power and protection LED status indicators, along with short-circuit, thermal, and voltage protection. It also includes top tune controls and a bass remote control knob. Expect nothing short of crystal clear sound with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, a signal-to-noise ratio of 90 decibels, and low total harmonic distortion of 0.3%. With multiple input options including aux-in and RCA, connecting your audio sources is a breeze. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance two-channel amplifier for your motorcycle or powersports vehicle, the NVX MVPA2 ticks all the boxes. Its durability, compact size, and powerful audio performance make it a standout choice in its category. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.